Let's take a look at this limits problem and what it means graphically. All right, are you ready? Let's go. So what we have here is the limit of this rational expression when x approaches 2. Okay, so the first step here that we can do is direct substitute 2 and see if we can get our limit that way. So we have limit x approaches 2. So I'm just going to put 2 in where all the x values are. 2 times x squared is 4 minus 3 times 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2. So in the numerator we have 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2 is 8. So we have 8 minus 8 in the numerator, denominator we have 2 minus 2. So this is a classic what's called indeterminate form. That means you have 0 upon 0 and we cannot really find a limit with the indeterminate form. So we're going to have to see if we can try to factor and see if we can cancel some factor from the numerator perhaps in the denominator. Okay, so let's try 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Go ahead and factor that. So I'm going to split up two parentheses here. So we can try m and m plus n, but also I noticed that the denominator has x minus 2. So let me start there. Let me just put one of my factors as x minus 2. So if I distribute now 2x squared minus 4x, so I need a plus x to get to negative 3x. So I'm just going to put a plus 1 here. So if I distribute 2x squared minus 4x plus x is minus 3x minus 2. So this works. Okay. All right. Now we also have in the denominator x minus 2. So now we can go ahead and cancel the x minus 2. So we are left with limit x approaches 2 of 2x plus 1. So let's go ahead and substitute now. So this is going to be equal to 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So our limit is 5. That's going to be our answer. But let's look at what it means graphically, okay? Because that is very important for us to understand what it means. So if you look on this Desmos graph, I have graphed this very expression. And if you see at x equals 2 and go to the y value, you will see from both the left hand side and the right hand side it is approaching 5, okay, which is our answer right here. Is approaching the function is of x is approaching 5 from both left and right side. So our limit exists and the answer is 5 graphically as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you next. Have a nice day. Bye.